Namhla-ke angihambi ngedwana engisihle ngakamaseko ngibuyile Imvula Podcast. Angihambi ngedwana angazi noma iManzini Wanderers noma yini ngathi nje sikhona ngihamba navele iDlamini. I think okumnyendi utakaniphethe because is one of administrators ngala kubo Ntshanini. Yeah, maybe-ke sotawuzama ukusichazela kahle ukuthi bentani ke Ntshanini. Yabo.
Yeah.
Athi asichazele nje adequately. Yeah, kanjani futhi Ntshanini?
No, siyaphila Maseko. Sivusele ma viewers engura. Njengoba ashito Maseko ngingiveli ngakaDlamini Sibongo. Nginenhlanhla ke. I'm one of the lucky ones labane magama esilungu Maseko. So ngingi-Richard. Njengoba asho Maseko la ukuthi sisuka le eNtshanini. So uphinza uphatha lenzaba leti buhlungwana kulabanye Maseko. Manzini Wanderers. No, akusiyo Manzini Wanderers, but nje icembu lakhona lekhaya eNtshanini lokuyimbini Cosmos. Imbini Cosmos icembu ke lelidzala leNtshanini. Likhambena lapha ka Super League eShiselweni. Njengoba shilo Maseko I'm one of the administrators kule bhola yaseshiselweni. Yeah, kule MC imbini Cosmos, so siphusha nje igoli lelithi we have so much talent eNtshanini. So le talent lesinayo eNtshanini sifise nje lokuthi ithole le exposure because now le maphandleni nakunendo lobate yona kakhulu le exposure, and the talent lesinayo eNtshanini sinebufakazi lokuphathekako yosabelo Nzimisa Sikhali basuka khona eNtshanini. You have Musa Dlamini.
Musa Dlamini loku
Rangers
udlale kuSwallows na Green Mamba.
Udlalile kuSwallows, udlalile Green Mamba, udlalile kuMbabane Islanders.
Oh yes.
Basuka eNtshanini Boneliso Umnyeni striker sensingzini naye
there was this guy Mshengo ayiqhamuka khona Mshengo lo wadlala ku Young Buffaloes.
Oh Mshengo
yes.
No, Mshengo akasiyo lekithi akasiyo lekithi Mshengo. So nangisabala nje la udlala eBuffalo, excuse me, lo suka lekhaya uMphumzeni Dlamini udlala kuMbelebele, wadlala na Buffaloes. Nakasadlala kuMbelebele nje bekayi-twin striker na Kuleko Dlamini, king of squads. So he was a good friend of Mphumzeni.
Ngiyamkhumbula
Sengidaba ngathi ngibiased because abadlali engibabalako all of them they represented this page Mbini Cosmos.
Yeah, it's a nice thing lokuva ukuthi Mbini iproduce kangaka and awusi bias. Kahle usho ishalo ukuthi a talent lengakanani.
Yeah, that's true.
So which is nice ukuva and nya udlale nabo Sikhali wena.
Ngidlale naSikhali but kube kufishane ke kimi lekudlala kwami naSikhali. Okay, ngidlalile naye kuMbini Cosmos sisadlala kuma-13 sibancane sisakhahlela le even before under 13 sisadlala lephepha ibhola. So besikuma juniors ale Mbini Cosmos. Yeah, so kwase sekuba nokuthi umuntu unakane talent le ngedulu kunalo munye usheshe bese lomunye sebambona. So wase sewuhamba kanjalo, but I did play with him esikolweni. Nakhona ke esikolweni kwaba ukuthi ngasuke ngaba umuntu lo multi talented wena Maseko. So ngadlala ibhola ekhaya kuMbini Cosmos. Esikolweni ngifike ngente something else. I played cricket esikolweni naba introducer. So benga cricket from 1 from 2 ngasinanga from 3 kanti ibhola ngiyidlala ekhaya and I'm growing.
So nje uyibhowula wena.
Yeah.
Cricket nabo bowler nabo.
I was a good bowler actually. So nje it was at an introductory stage. So le amanye ama basics.
Kahle na ungiphehlukayo nabo Rabada.
Yeah. So bekusenabo uMakhandini ke back then. So
okay.
So nawo uhamba udifisa ukubona uMakhandini. Yeah. So nangifika ka form 3 ngiyakhula kaMpini Cosmos bangipromota into the senior team because ngakhumbula nje bangipromota ngenda form 3.
You played as a striker.
I was a striker, yeah. I was a striker, ngishaya lamagoli. So la bangipromota ngiyadlala ke ekhaya esikoleni angidlali yabona ukuthi sekuba nekunga understand ukuthi khona umdlalo odlala kanjena but lo ngadlala esikoleni angiforce ke coach we school team ukuthi angibuye teamini yakhe.
Oh, I understand that the politics.
Yeah, wangiforce because I was playing cricket and ngidlala ibhola ekhaya.
So wasufuna nasikho udlala ibhola.
So esikoleni ngangayidlali for kule ma selection abafuna kwenta ama selections abo school team nani I wasn't even part of that. So he called me ngafika ngadlala, actually not necessarily kudlala, ngajoina his team. There was one incident lendeka. I was doing form 3. Na endeka incident. It's so we have this team, it's my under 17. Bas-3 kufuna kucala i-tournament. Yes. On the eve of the first game, the tournament, we had 22 players in my under 17, 22 players next senior squad. So kamga coach wami uthi sirejistile sende konke siyodlala first game, it was a Tuesday. So siyodlala first game on the Wednesday. After that coach, hey okay, asacedzile ne team talk le serious. Then athi okay ke madoda, there's an announcement that I want to make. Special. Abite somebody else lapha athi buya utobita le list labadlala into ababita laba badlala ngiyo sebenza nabo. Anyone else lengeke ngize ngimbite, you still part of the team. But
part of the team
registered sende ko registered amakhadi onke akhona song 22. But nasekubitwa le list lapha ababita abadlali and kule team yethu nje I think we had 4 or 5 strikers. And those 4 or 5 strikers there, I was young, yes, but talent yakho yat now. So now ubana ukuthi noma kuthiwa sesiyadlala noma kuthiwa kuna 3 labadlalayo, I'll definitely be part of that. So nakayibiti list I'm not there with some other guys. 17, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm not part of the team. Usele emajita la, they are above 17, but my age is so adjusted ibhola.
Yes, ibhola.
Yeah. So adjusted so that sitawukhona ukuthi siyocompete siwena. So ngasala rightful under 17, ngasala kani ngilandwe ngikhanga remember ukuthi I wasn't part of it. Ngilandwe ngidlala ibhola ekhaya. So ngaba nale I would say licubo to say that lo ungilanzile next thing we don't drop out in the 11th hour. So I hated to represent the school team from there. So ngavele ngathi shift aside.
Kana ukuthi ubekendela ukuthi ukubite ngale ku senior team.
No. So I wasn't part of the team. That was by form 3. Form 4 I wanted nothing to do with football esikolweni. Ngiyaqhubeka ngiyadlala ekhaya. Nanga form 4 ngashintsha i-cricket bese ngamasterile ema basics. Bro, uyayi prophet. Wamasterile ema basics. Ngasuka lapho nansi form 4 hamba join ichorus. Join ichorus.
Uyalo usinami ngichorus.
So yeah.
Yabona ukuthi khona lesingayenda.
Yeah, so we have so many similarities. So nangifika form 4 full chorister, I'm here for the first time. But nangifika ngathatha ama basics ngiyafika ngiyaqala kutohlabela thatha ama basics. Guess what? I was amongst the soloists. Kwathiwa endoda. Ngiyalobe singinika i-task le serious. Vele and I enjoyed music ngahlabela. Form 5 angingenelana nesesikolweni ibhola. Ibhola ngichubeka ngiyiphusha kaMpini Cosmos but esikoleni nani.
Angithi ngale ka choral wafika ba appreciated.
Yeah. Nangifika choral first time I'm in there ngema soloist ama tenors akhona. I hlabela the following year futhi again I'm there. Then something funny happens. I'm growing with Mpini Cosmos. Kule besidlala zonal football back then.
Oh, zonal.
Yeah. Kule zone yethu nakukhulunywa nge-striker there's my brother, my communications currently in the squad, in the team that we're having. Kule management, it's communications manager.
Yes.
Thandu Khanya Dlamini. He was my twin striker there. Sashayma Goal for Fun. Shayma Goal for Fun. I remember success season Leo. He had 25 goals, played 20 games, 25 goals. Nangsemva wakhe with 22. The way Sashayma Goal ngakhona.
Kahle le ndlela okhuluma ngayo ngivuka ngathi ngilento lethu ngoyi-Arsenal nyaka le yasengilani no.
So yeah, uqinisile. Now kuthiwa una-2 ama-strikers ashaya amagoli ngale ndlela leyo. So nasidlala ke kazona njengoba ngisho ngikhuluma ngami lokuceda isizini with 22 goals in 20 games.
Yeah.
But esikoleni akadlali. So kwase sekuba kwaba ne-tug of war. Coach washintsha umcondo wesikole wathi ngeke ke kuze kwendeke. I'm doing from 5 then. Ngeke ke kuze kwendeke, come back utodlala eteamini. But I'm singing. You know. I'm singing now and so at this time naga choral I was there last year. I competed ka choral ngifika ngikompete ngahlabela kahle sehluleka lapho sehluleka khona but I enjoyed and nale appreciation ukuthi nje people value you yabo. So kwaba le tug of war, serious tug of war. I'm a footballer. I love football. Now I've developed a new love. I love singing. So nabalo labantu abadala, my teacher wa choral, my teacher was ebholeni, my coach was ebholeni. Kuthi baba inzabisele ngapha. Tell us ufuna kubheka kuphi?
Ngaka choral vele schemes zakho ngala ngisakusilela.
Inkinga phela nyalo akadlali lo. Uthi ufuna ukungisebenzisa. Yabo. Nathi ufuna ukungisebenzisa. Sekufuna I've never represented my school. I'm a footballer angase ngazidlalela isikole. This is an opportunity. Lengiva ngathi sengihamba. Let me go and play ball just for once. Yabo.
Wakhetha kuyi2.
So ngavele mina ngathi okay make I love singing. I want to be part of your team. But I also want to play football. But lokhu kahle nyalo ukuthi ema competitions ethu akahambi kanye kanye
akahambi
yes
concurrently.
Yes. So what I will do, but ngalokuthi ama practices endeka kanye kanye, I'll do I can offer kuba khona if you find with that kuba khona 3 days ka choral ngiyabekisa or 2 and the other 2 days ngibe ebholeni for the trainings. And bobabili bathi sharp. And I did both concurrently. That is when ngingakhona kudlala naSikhali.
Okay.
Because he was there ku senior team.
So bendlala nga2 strikers.
Yes. Something funny again there. When senda konke ama preparation ungilanzile lo coach wami ungilanze ngingafuni ukudlala ibhola. Ungilanzile so nasifika la senda konke ama preparations sizoqala i-tournament. Nasoqala i-tournament. Mind you, I'm no longer an under 17 vele sengivele ngitsana. Nasifika la madoda lekukwendeka ke manje ukuthi there is a reshuffle entire. I want to have 2 strong teams. So vele utawubuya baba utodlala kuma 17 double 17 sitawubona kusenda njani ngeminyaka. So that
nganobuyela le pass.
So that kutaba nama team amla strong. Lapho sende onke ama preparation matches beswadlala bezana sabelo as now twin striker yami scoring goals ngala kunaneliso Neliso yes ngala kunaneliso kuma 17 rightfully so he was young a striker sema 17 so but because Bobo Skali Naneliso, even if you can check on them even today, they do have those similarities. They are both bulky strikers. Yeah. So Nagasi na ufuna kwaka iteam yakhe strong. So utsi I want to have these 2 guys. Bayong striker. Also so vele na second class utaba mtsala kuna labafana. That is number 1. Number 2, also a good striker. So buya kuma 17
ukuthi wena nekudlala naNelisho it was simple because bekufanele uzodlala na
No.
naSikhali Light.
No, we swapped. So beka yes. So beka funa Neliso naSikhali ukuthi batoba nangabe sikhalu ehluleka akhona isinelesi ukhona still there
kodwa badlalisa njani mama
bafana.
bafarisha same thing.
That was it. So we swapped, but nabafika bosikhala lezo and badlala kahle, so we were all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Imbini Cosmos ima-achievements ayo ahamba njani? Because
Yeah.
yake yawina inkomo kuphi, yake yawina imbudi
Imbini Cosmos, hey, I mean, this club is so much close to my heart, man.
Yeah.
Nasikhuluma ngeMbini Cosmos njengoba nyalo we campaigning ka Super League.
Okay.
But from lela sisuka khona the zonal leagues, promotional leagues, sihamba lapho bese size sifika lana singama champions. Asigasa saqhamuka sesi second choice, I mean second best. So sifike sifika ka Super League. No. So ekhaya lama tournaments asekhaya ke nyalo nje siyodlala bo Tokfel. Siyabutha nje. But ke besibana sinayo ama rivals asembini lesinawo adlala ka promotion wona. Mbini City Stars, they are our sworn rivals, serious rivals. So buthola ukuthi asigawini nangabe singakawini bawini.
Angathi manje ngeke bathi ngalashiswe impela bathi kumetima ngala bathi chechashana ngaveniswa phansi. Angathi lapho ukuthi ikhamba njani
kaMbini Cosmos.
siye ngale limi lamanje yabo labo AI.
Yeah.
Siye sibidenge ukuthi anzi kunabo home affairs nabo foreign affairs, esisayi foreign affairs.
It's foreign. The foreign material. Bayasho bathi sigodle sinemanje.
Nabelungu bayaya.
Bayasho but ke sine nje nasidlala I'll go back la ngikhona sashaya ngabo 3 ngabo 2 besatshwa like literally ukuthi hey babi labantu ngento yabo. But tell you what, God is my witness, I never used any foreign stuff. Number 1. Number 2, I never knew ukuthi khona lesikwenda nabe khona bebasendela bona la bebasendela bona bebakwenda singathi. So kaMbini Cosmos ngeke ngize ngithi siyakusebenzisa because angikwadi we never used it. Ngisadlala lamuhla an administrator sitel office le ukuthi ngasibonela ini ke nini engalapha. But nje and it is one thing lesizama nekuyi-infiltrate nje kulabafana si-incorporate ukuthi ibhola asidlaleni ngetinyawo tethu and our talents because sinayo nalama talents. So anything else that is outside that, let fate take its course.
Yeah. Locally in my teams, the likes of Mbabane Islanders, the likes of Monini Paris, Mbabane Swallows, Singizini Rangers,
Yeah.
Manzini Seabirds, Bodenver Sundowns, Manzini Wanderers again.
Hey, angicasane mawese.
Angathi ukuthi uthini ngayo.
Local football ifisana buhlungu man but ifisana buhlungu because we are in the game out of the love, you know? So now ubona what is happening in Premier League kwethu, bese sekufaka remember sika Super League nje thine sipusha imandate ukuthi let us go to the first division. We have what it takes to go to the national first division. So now ubuka lapha embili also you longing to get to ubona kuba lififi ucishe sekubese sekufaka abantu emadolweni bese kufaka abantu emadolweni. But nje generally, just a general observation, at the end of the day football, as much as ibhola sinayo siyithanza sikhona nekuyidlala, but vele ngeke sikubalekele, we need the money.
But ngiva ngathi ninele nisetigodzini nima-administrators etigodzini.
Yeah.
You have a strong voice ukuthi singayilungisa ibhola
Sure.
lakangwane. Like nje ku-FA
Yeah.
nakuphetha banema-elections ka-FA. Angathi ukuthi kuhamba chairperson as individual or nivele nibe ne-caucus ukuthi okay kulama candidates up for presidency or what. Nivele ni-discuss ukuthi yathi thina sihamba naSihle Maseko sifuna kuphathe yena lapha than lokuthi kuhambe individual nimikise le envelope le nomination nathi ukuthi nimikisa Sihle Maseko lapha than lokuthi chairperson Tawe ezayovota individual. Ngibona ngase kwente kanjalo kanti phela chairperson akusho ukuthi futhi ende i-personal decision asebenzise ama-emotions akhe futhi avote ngale association yakhe ukuthi uthunywe naku and bengifisa lokuthi nakucethwa lokuvota kuvele ukuthi ishiselweni ivotele bani nalona ivotele bani nalabo bavotele bani so that nani ama-committee members kuthi hayi man chairperson lapha samikisa bani then wena akusasuye Sihle besimikise Sihle thina but akusuye Sihle ufike wamvotela so that kutoba nale transparency. Ngiko lokunye because labanga ukhona lokuba hold accountable ngoba uyafika unikete chairperson 20,000 agijima ibhola so kahle chairperson nakathola lo 20,000 uthi yena I'm selling football.
The dream.
Yes.
Selling the dream. It's a pity. It's a pity, but njengoba usho ukuthi it is something lesingayilungisa from
sekuthi angathi lama-logistics ama-legalities abo-FA kubonakala ukuthi kuhamba
regions and now.
Yeah. Because futhi ephinde nibe nalama-powers ukumrecalla umuntu baba.
Yeah, ngishaya nge-vote of no confidence.
Yes, akasendele le-stand letona because you can't tell us ukuthi because lama-issues lawa aya-affect Sihlangu hosting ama-games ngaphandle. Ama-teams nakadlala i-CAF ngaphandle. Le mali leyo imali ephumayo futhi engayenda ama-activities inside let benefita lebhola. So sasimali zimqumbisisa ngaphandle. So umhlolo nange solo start and I don't know ukuthi abaphangani lesinye stadium because lo somhlolo siyabona vele ukuthi hayi yinto lengeke isalungiseka.
And lokufani ngaloko ukuthi njengoba ubala nje if I remember very well, I don't know how many years it has been ukuthi after i-ban yethu ukuthi sitawuphuma siyo-hosta ngephandle nangathi uhlala phansi and count leto mali leto ungamangala ukuthi how much money you've wasted.
Siyaphuma stadium
nangabe le mali leyo sithi imali yokwakha stadium less proper and that is FIFA accredited or that is FIFA or even CAF the standards let's meet ama-CAF standards le mali leyo ngabe sola sikhona kufika lapho.
No nalokunye lokusimbulu siyasicela nje FIFA na-CAF bas excuse ukuthi okay salungisa nathi ngo-penalty.
We can do that.
Excuse sathe le mali leyo nangabe kune penalty badashanga le penalty abashaya ngayo ngeke ifike lo 6 million lo sohambile enyanga. Uyabona sesiyabuya senda nakulezi kwendawo then ke naseziredi sesibuyile manje naseziredi sesingasebenza uyabona.
But ke nangabe
because nje ngibuze emaphepheni Sihlangu players baya something like 300K more than 300,000.
300K.
Uthini ke labantu abangibo laba le human resource lemculo owabona. Sengiyabona ukuthi vele asuyini imbamba la lokuba singawenako lokho.
But kusasa wena ufuna bakudilivele labo bantu labo.
Exactly.
Miracle itawuchamuka phi le.
Yeah, that's what in favor Mbini Cosmos now. Because I'm sure kuzikhona lena le.
Mbini Cosmos. Imbawane Swallows. Imbawane Swallows and uyangithunuka nje naso ufuna kuva ukuthi ngifevani because sekufuna ngingene etindzabeni leti silonza so
no angithi kumbokaniswa ukuba khona make nababengwenya baba namake nababengwenya make elungile namake babengwenya nababengwenya I mean so ngoba naleyo takeover but ekugcineni ngive ngathi bathi sekuthi zitamba ngolayini
kugcine kubuyela ukuthi abachubeke boba bengwenya basihole le team bayihola let's put aside my debts and everything but nje bebayihola kahle from what we saw noma lebe sikubona thina
kuwina kuphela
yes lebe sikubona thina because at the end of the day excuse me I usually tell i-team yami lekunayo ku-MC ukuthi it is difficult to run football buka-ke thina sile ku-regional level but you can feel the pinch ukuthi we are somehow kukhona lolo kuhlephukako but because of the love siyadinikela sikhona so bengibatshela-ke ekuthenini nakunento lesingayenda kahle ukuthi as much as sine sathi ukuthi there is a lot going on outside the field of play but let us ensure ukuthi the boys are not affected. Let us ensure ukuthi the boys don't even see ukuthi kunema problems mhlambe lesinawo in that particular moment so bachubeke babona a united front bachubeke bathi ukuthi baphathi bethu are looking out for us yabo so that mabangene groundini bona badila nge-staff sase-groundini siyabuya sidila for them sidila indzaba yabo ukuthi batiphatha njani off the field and everything but kubonakala i-team that is united, i-team that is out to compete so ngicabanga ukuthi nakunento lebe bayende kahle kwabengwena bebakwende kahle lo because ingathi engibawena saws now ngathi we delve into the details atisito tanyalo esikhani sekuphumile kubonakala yabo but because labantu bakhonile ukuthi bakhombe ukuthi sinel goal lesifuna achieve and we achieved that goal sakhona kuwin league sakhona kuhamba siyodlala CAF sandlula kuma prelims sahamba so compete with that team lenema problems la kanje
phela mhlambe bebasengayifuni ibheki yabala bami bekusengabro kwafika lapho bathi nje ayisibhola yethu
ngolukhuni
bathi kutawulunga sathi kutawulunga nini bathi futhi bathi nyalo na ukuthi kutawulunga kusalibeka ne-date
funa time frame bekhona ukuthi
kutawulunga nini
kutawulunga what are you doing nyalo kuze kufike kulesikhathi sakho bese kutawulunga ngaso
South Africa uhamba ngekhosi
hey lamhlophe kimi dog expose i-team ya Mtaung I usually joke ngithi I didn't choose Kaizer Chiefs but nje my blood is gold and black so sihamba nayo it's been 10 seasons
hayi ngiyakhumbula izingonyama yaniketa yanenkomo so ngisadla ngenyama yenkomo
uthini ngale
nkomo
no ngifuna ukuthi ngale conspiracy theory ukuthi ever since seta Eswatini things went south from there
ngani Orlando Pirates nayo yayifola inkomo is doing well
but then what if vele into lenjalo ikhona
shothi kambe
bona bakhona kusibambe bogeza whatever labageza thina solo sihleke because I've been looking at this thing ngibuka now man I don't believe in this but nje ngiyabuka ukuthi
kuba khona phela uyakela ukuthi kuyokwenteke something bathi esha abantu abadala basakwendiwa lo bese kuyabuya ukuthi noma ngabe wena
don't fully subscribe to that no man ngibuka we went Besna Stuart Baxter, that guy what's a figure in 3 seasons I win 4 trophies
yes
wahamba nakahamba okay sabana lo tinkinga tabo Steve nabo bani labalandzela but sikhuluma nga Stuart Baxter lesakhona ukuthi simlanze nase sibona siyathi kuyabheza Stuart come back ukuthi asiselekele
ngoba uyawacwila naye.
things vele tabheka le sabuya salanza
But lapho it was
yeah
timing. Kubuya kwaStuart Baxter lapho it was timing
sure
because wabuya kuyodlala i-Champions
League
final. Bekuvute lapho unikele Zwane
achubeka acethe
i-70 labawendi. And bekuvute niqhubeke nimiyeke.
Yeah,
because i-Kaizer Chiefs i-downfall yayo le ma-decision making lapho kanje bekuvute bayekele Zwane. Yabona bamyekele nje bangabi yathi leti into ma-decision making futhi wathathe ungafuni ukuplease someone
sure
but futhi wathathe ngokuthi ubuka nayo vision naye yabona ukuthi going forward utasita nawo yabona. If ukhumbula when Pirates seyihambisa Eric Tindler wachaza Dr. Ivan Khoza ukuthi because of lo msindo lo wendekako yena ude doubt na Eric Tindler ukuthi is a good coach.
Yeah,
But buka le brand and the supporters some more violent we have to take the decision ukuthi
protect
we are protecting him.
Yeah,
Kahle hayi ukuthi
we're not saying he's a
ukuthi
bad coach.
ahambe lapha nje Kaizer Chiefs ima-supporters beyangakhali ngathazwana libe lithi nawo phela athazwane ama-Kaizer Chiefs supporters lokubanga ukuthi angakhali ngaye mfanawo. So I understand the same thing le nto ka-Arsenal ba-understand la nto ka-Arsenal ukuthi yi-legend yethu ke le.
Yeah, it's us,
Umfana
it's one of
sekhaya
us.
yabona. So na unyanya yena futhi uthi unyanya wena
Sure.
mane kwazi wasuyafika Baxter ayish cala nokuthi abheka le mase kubuya sekuyalungiswa kulandwa Bontseki kuyabuya athazwana phinde
Say wonke ma-panic ma-panic buttons so konke sikwenda out of now. But nje bengizama ukuthi look at the series of events besikhala ngokuthi okay sidinga ke coach Nazareth Nabi, a good coach lota nama-credentials lamahle. Even before him angikhulume ngebadlali ulanza Sekhukhune United captain Bafana regular when we took him ukuthi join. You go to SuperSport, you get your SuperSport captain in Titloko. You go to TS Galaxy, you get a TS Galaxy captain in Msimang. Uhlanganisa labo badlali labo bo Ashley Dupree, they were scoring goals for fun Stellenbosch. Labantu where you taking them, they are hot property. Noma kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs are proud to announce ukuthi sekasayine so and so siyaphantsa sithi yes, but senikhona phela amajita senikhona bonke si celebrate. I'm sorry to say, but celebrate kusayina Sirino recently. Where is Sirino? Yabo 1-2 games it's gone south. So the problem here it's beyond enough. It's beyond recruitment, it's beyond Bokoch.
Kambe solong lenkomo phela yayinona lethi inkomo leta ngathi yona biyathi leti inkomo kanje ngaze kuthiwa leti talaka kithi siqhamuka la kithi.
So mina ngathi sikufuna sendeni itolo nje ngize ngajoka ngathi abafana sitipakenti moto sikonke injini asicishe kude lesingakakwendi kushoda.
Mara nje mara i-Pirates mos nayo iyabonakala iyacocota. Lo coach we-Pirates lofikile so win 5 trophies. 3 wema-M10 8, 2 wema-Nedbanks.
One thing I can say nge-Pirates ukuthi ngifuna correct lo chocot. They not abachocot man. Labantu laba from the first whistle angisilo hlobo lolunyanye opposition to an extent yokuthi ngeke ngikhona ukubona lokuhle yabo. And I don't even hate Pirates, just that they are rivals, that's all. So but these guys bangena grounding from the first whistle, everyone uyambona uzofuna ukudlala. Everyone uyambona ukuthi they are fighting for the badge. So le ndlela I don't know what happens ku-background ye-Orlando Pirates. And bengithi ngiyakubona kunabhi nabacala abafana, but they've just gone too complacent noma sebarelaxe kakhulu nabo bajeletha abadlala ibhola ngendlela labakhona kudlala ngayo. The next thing
washona kwathi kuna-4 players
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs
yeah
labadeserve ukudlala Kaizer Chiefs
only
But-
4.
but ngeke abasho ukuthi bobani. So ukuthi umfuna kamina uthi ngikulo 4 nalona ngisamele sithi kulo 4 because nawubuka le Pirates esikhuluma ngayo nasikhomparisha nje Pirates akusima big name labadlali bawo
Exactly.
nayibalanza
Exactly.
kamoya la nyalo nje kunalo mfana lo Sesane we have been in Pirates for a long time. Lo Sesane lona senguye the back nyalo insimbi nje
No, he's the pillar at the back.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
still young then okay bomofukenya lo sekunalo Ngotha
Nangota.
so uyabuka ukuthi hayibo bekuthiwa nakuhamba lodge
Hayi Pirates ihambile phela kuhamba lo hambile Pirates.
napuli nakuhamba puli nakho kusengathi ngiyabuka mina hayi man.
So there's something good they doing in the background. Angeke ngize ngisho angikwadi ukuthi what is it, but nje na njengoba ubala ukuthi these guys come in, they don't come in with big names. Even your Maswanganye, beka Super Sport, who knew about Maswanganye? Yes, besimati nje ukuthi na anazi Super Sport ukuthi ubuya overseas nakabuya bekakubhoja bese Portugal ubuya ku. Besimati from there ukuthi Super Sport, and that was it. But see, ubuya lana is winning big.
And now Williams ubuye nendondo nya.
Yeah.
Siyabona ukuthi hayi
Kunenkinga natural. Kunenkinga natural. That's serious.
Angathi lenkinga ukuthi sayipinpoint ukuthi mbamba ikuphi ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi awufuni ukusola i-management na coach awufuni ukumsola nabadlali awufuni ukubasola.
No. It's beyond that.
Sada maybe ngile beef.
No, it's beyond that, man. It's beyond that. Nyalo usikhala ukuthi at least nasangathola striker, but look at the chances that we're getting. We are creating chances. We have nangabe nje unemuntu ongakhona kuconzisa.
Sekusingaloko ke.
But who says vele nakafika phela nyalo nawathiwa nje uthola striker, start nasifika naso come with a big tag, but nakefika lana kuhle lo lesikungangisa nawo lesikbenefit awo.
Yeah.
So
yeah asesimove le topic because ngazi it stress kakhulu.
yeah.
Asesiye England kune number 1 Liverpool, number 2 is Chelsea,
yeah.
number 3 is Arsenal. Arsenal, yes. Number 4
No, with Forest.
Oh, Forest.
Yeah.
Oh, my Champions League winners. Kulandzele Man City number 5.
Yeah. Cities.
Kunguwe at this stage the way i-Manchester City yenda ngakhona uhleli ukahle ke wena uyakhona kuba ngale kuba administrators ngikahle ngikhuluma ngalana abafayela ungathatha siphi isinqumo sokuthi can you go for Pep set
now? Nope. No, I'll say this njengoba ushilo ukuthi from perspective yemphathi. I don't want to believe that Pep has lost it. I don't want to believe sekuthi nyalo letinto tendeka njengoba sikhuluma ngayo 11 matches.
Yeah,
around 11 matches win once. So it is bad. It is bad. But
okay, if because angifuni indzaba yama-injuries. No. Lokuba ukuthi angifuni indzaba yama-injuries ukuthi sike singenele. Ubuke ungabuka labadlali labakhala ngabo. I remember in 2021 we had Jurgen Klopp.
Yeah.
Walimala Vigil has to defend ngabo Phillips nabo Ryan Williams. Gomez was injured now.
Gomez was injured. Yeah,
Matip was injured. Lovren was injured. Lovren. Bekuda partnership labafana laba labantu. Akazange adle ama-games angaka.
So your take, you know, you got some choppy pepper, eh?
No.
Yeah.
I'm for Pep for this.
Is it? Yeah.
No, look, ibase yami kuthi Pep angacojwa ukuthi isithi one itawucosha abantu. Itawucasha abantu. Nayicosha Pep. Two, Pep has been doing the job. It is time for the board now to say to Pep, fix this now.
We are on your side.
And walk the talk.
Sure.
Yabona. Bahambisane step by step. Bambheke in January. Because Pep angazasayini. Kahle akasayini.
Yeah.
Usufuthi asayini nyaka.
Sure.
So ukuthi bende lokhu. Kahle na uthatha lokubuka mina. I'm not the kind of person who say, hey yo ya akacoshwa. Ngiyaphuta.
Yeah.
If okay mina ngiLiverpool. Ukhumbula kuhamba anothi ukuthi kuhamba kahle akahambi kahle. Totally
akahambi kahle. You're on top, man.
No.
You're on top. You're only feeling the heat nje la go Enzo because
hayi nani lengakusho mina sithi esini pressure.
Yeah.
Sithi esini pressure. Kude bonke labadlala ibhola labake ba-predict Liverpool abake ba-predict kala ukuthi balapha.
Yeah.
Even nanyalo nabakhuluma bayibali nje.
Sure.
Manje bathi ba-surprised. One, Liverpool ayikasayini. A new coach. Yabona. So lama-factors lawo ngiko nathi surprise. Mina nje ngibaza ukuthi by this time Liverpool tabe number 8.
Yeah. But what I like about Liverpool, I like that on its own. Below would say they brought in a new coach and say, this is what we have. Try and find something out of it. Then from there, the judgment that's a say fair, even for him to say, I think player A and player B and sharp, and player C and player D from where.
Yeah, but nangibuka yabona the Liverpool na Chelsea. Chelsea sebenzisa the same approach. Hambise Pochettino yalanza Maresca. Imlanzelani Maresca. Imlanza isebenzisa nathi niswana tethu nathi.
Sure.
Make sure ukuthi you get the best in ezwanile. Maresca yena kwakhe kulula. Nakaqhamuka waya ibhodi nathi ufuna umdlalo. Bathi leliswane lela ulibukile nalela ulibukile. Lo 64.
The pool is too big.
Yabona. Ubukile yini. Nakathi nayo ubukile wena. Bathi ungasiqhamukeli neligama. Lista lama qualities. Then it's in will go
sure
for lesi show. Nangabe kukhona ama development, we are ready to wait for 3-4 seasons. But when I find something, do something here.
Yeah.
Yabona. Ngilengole labayendile. Mina nje kahle nsi Arteta utaba akhuza nicely. But
football being football.
It's not football being football.
Yeah.
Arteta wenda too much. Yambona Pep. Pep ukhona ubona ukuthi yabona kule game le bekude bayiwina. But ube ngile factor ukuthi badliwe. Ngokuthi asethe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi prove yena ukuthi umbani. Kahle ngoyilo mastermind. Na Arteta wenda njalo kanti yena hasn't earned the right to do so.
Sure.
Arteta ngumbe kwadwa ukuthi futhi asayine striker. Ukumbe kabukile ukuthi futhi asayine striker. Hayi umuntu lo tawubhekile ukuthi ibhola kanye nje. Inkomo nje tawubhekisa. Ogijima yena wangasayini. Look now. Umando sende.
Tough.
Uzoba strong emakhona kicks sebambita emakhona kicks what.
Corner kick merchant.
Bayibona into leyo. So njalo ngiyakubona ngiyakuva ngiyakufila la ngathi notes hayi ngile Chelsea. Ngiyakufila.
Yeah no.
Awuzi.
No, I'm Chelsea, and njengoba ushito nje ukuthi sinale crash, so le crash yethu le school team lesiya ningacali nisibalele ukuthi sitowin i-league and everything, so sitodlala ibhola sitodlala ibhola.
Lelo kusana
I-league itawufika, it will be a bonus.
le theory leyo ngiyayibona ngiyayibona nje ukuthi niyadlala no one loya empini athi hayi nginodliwa.
No, akusiko kudliwa. We're going in there, we're doing what we know best. Anything else shall fall into place.
Kubekwe ukuthi winning commission, conference league ufuna yiphi?
Now the league has got some weight, bro.
So you want the league because conference league la ngabona wala pha so ukuthi ngayiwina melodi, but why ufuna league?
Everyone will be proud to lift in a league title.
Yeah, sesistovala, but bengifisile sinayi Manchester United. They can't take on the new coach.
Amorim. That's a good coach. That's a good coach. But my personal take, I would have loved to see Ruud van Nistelrooy ukuthi beyangahamba kangana.
I think they go backfire, man.
In a way,
they go backfire because uyamlanza uthi akade wasista abantu enaphi nakafika lana imission accomplish some outcast, then wena uthi phinda akathathe over yena lo muntu lo mandate yakuzoluflipita hayi let us bekucomisana dude awembaseka
yeah,
ukahle
you're
nje
right,
yakhona
you're right.
khona lokulist
Yeah.
ukahle la khona mina lo Manchester United I think put ema signings lang too.
Sure.
Lamawele angathi udzinga ema wingers. But lama wingers latawadla as ema defenders. Because yena u defender nga 3 hands.
Yeah.
Bam labatawudinga more attacking ma wingers.
Lama wing backs.
Futhi ahambise Casemiro top of the list bam labahambako. Oh mina personally lo ngangidlela bona nangabe futhi Casemiro abe indlela, Eriksen abe indlela, Anthony man sobeketelela kakhulu man kani benifisa lokuthi kube nguyela bamshintshayo aqhamuke from the back.
Yeah.
Manje inke yakhe ngathi udlala kula maswidi kanti futhi na uzidribble uterminate umuntu siye phambili ungammeli kuze ufuna kumphinza menu goalkeeper simane simhleke nje Onana, to be honest right Onana, and I'm happy that Maguire sebafuna kumngetela i-contract.
Sure.
And it isn't kahle leyo because ngeke udependele bo Marioro 18 mfana sisemncane.
Nice, yeah.
Uthi nje bona basayini ama-wingers kunabo Lookman, some wingers lamanye la lobona ukuthi ane-skill.
Yeah.
So that phela lokuba nala ma-wingers la now because okay lokunye ngidawubekisa nge-Liverpool at that time ngibekisa ngayo ukuthi 2021 kwalimala i-defense beba strong lapha ka-attack. So bebahlala half yakho bahlala la kubhongwana nanyalo imenu yona engalungisa lapho because lo Ahmad nabo Garnacho yes bakhona khona nje labantu akwendela yona but so singabanye labantu abadlala with their hearts.
Sure.
Because la fana ngibona ukuthi something is getting up with them ngathi ukuthi lahleka yabo.
Don't you think they also need a target man, number 9, or you're writing how you look?
For now lo singa more attention bekungilo.
Yeah.
Nala beswini balo because le system yalo coach ayisebenzisi kakhulu ama midfielders le.
Yeah.
Na ubuka na usasa kuyibuka nje ayisebenzisi
Small
kakhulu. Idzinga yayidzinga ne-energy.
Yeah.
And ibona bane brilliant player lapha Bruno nakafuna kudlala khona la ngakwendela yona.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Yabo.
That one is good.
So
that one is good.
Then Barcelona.
Oh. Ayo. Barcelona, Real Madrid. I like what Simeone is doing silently there.
Manje Simeone nayo inkinga Simeone naye man uyifactor kwayena. So ngeke nje ube lo mfeva ube behind.
Yeah.
Utakuhlaza utakuhlaza utagcina akubuta yena ukuthi ugathela kini yabo.
I like what he's doing there silently when everyone yakhala just doing about one note back and collecting the points.
Angathi sivala nje angathi lokuthi wena bafuna ukubaniketa amathikithi noma
nani lapho ngithi inhlanhla lapho so
ne-FA Cup yadlala yaqala nje le nayo zakhona ama-games
ukhona lo ngangipha wona usho ukuthi kunani nani ngakuniketa mina
angeke ngikhona ukukuniketa
no
ngeke ngikhona ukukuniketa
lamhla studio beba ne-visitor lekabi lamhla
lenganiketa ntini
no
otherwise hayi ngicabanga ukuthi abantu batakuwe ba-subscribe so that we can get more now and get support nebantu
basentshanini
basentshanini I'm sure ukuthi batawufuna ukuthi among sithi inkinga nabo and two I'm sure ukuthi Impini Cosmos nakusense United batawubukela then ke laba bempini City
i-Mountain City Stars yasempini.
Yes, I'm sure ukuthi nabo batawuthi uvelile mina ngise replica yesena
ngakulungisela i-replica Impini Cosmos 200 rand 200 emalangeni
sitawukhuluma
lapha ka-remains yakhona ukuthi
sitawukhuluma because angathi ngalashiswe i-Rangers yengane but nje ngivile bathi khona lo thithi uyangilungisela lenye supporter ye-Rangers sithi nje noma ndawo nasiya khona angathi but nje we'll see.
Okay. Siyabonga kakhulu.
In closing asibonane next week. Bye.